About 80% of the coins and tokens that will make you 100 to 1000x are not listed on exchanges. In this video, I'll be showing you and teaching you how to use Rabby Wallet to buy coins not listed on exchanges and be ahead of 90% of traders and investors. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share with others. If you are not new with to this channel, kindly comment, like, and share. And let's get at it. We'll be looking at three major things that are very key to buying coins on decentralized exchanges and using wallet like Rabby Wallet and other wallet that you manage yourself. Okay, we'll be looking at how to install and download Rabby Wallet. We'll be looking at how to use Rabby Wallet, how to navigate the features and functions in Rabby Wallet. The day after, we'll be looking at how to use Rabby Wallet on to buy coin in decentralized exchanges. We'll use Pancakeswap and we'll use Uniswap to buy as decentralized exchanges that we'll use to buy coins through Rabby Wallet. Okay, so the first thing is downloading and installing Rabby Wallet to create an account. So you can there are two approaches. The first approach is for those that are using smartphone. Okay, go to Google Play Store if your smartphone is Android compatible, you go there and type Rabby Wallet. Okay, so it will come up, it will pop up, and you see this, then you can install and follow the prompt and install. So for those using iOS device, okay, you go and also do the same thing. Type Rabby Wallet, and you see Rabby Wallet. Install it and follow the prompt. Okay, now for those that are using PC that want extension, like I'll be using extension today. So you go to your browser, go to Google, type download Rabby Wallet. Then it will bring up this information. Then click on this Rabby Wallet, rabby.io. So we'll click and we'll follow through how to install and create an account. Okay. With this, we are interested in the extension. So there's mobile version. Okay, there's mobile version, there's desktop version, and there's extension. So we are interested in the extension. Download for Chrome. Currently, I'm using Brave Metamask. So I can also download on Brave. I mean the Brave browser. I'm using Brave browser. I can also download on Brave browser. Okay, so add to Brave. So I'll click on add extension. Okay, it's downloading. Here we have it. It has downloaded. Then I'll click on here. Then I'll trace to see the browser. Okay, I'll trace to see the browser. Oh, perfect. This is Rabby Wallet. Okay, so when I click on pin, it will appear as on this at the top. The icon will appear at the top. So the next thing is to click on it, and I'll click to open it so that I can start setting it up. Okay, so this is Rabby Wallet. So I want to set it up. So access all the app. Rabby connects to all the apps that MetaMask support. Okay, now what is Rabby Wallet? Rabby Wallet is a wallet, the game-changing wallet for Ethereum and all EVM chains. So that means Rabby Wallet is not just for Ethereum; it's for all chains that that use Ethereum virtual machine, that are Ethereum virtual machine compatible. Okay, so these include Binance Smart Chain. Okay, it includes a lot of other chains there. Right, so let's go back and continue our setup. Okay, let's continue our setup. So here we are. So we'll click on the next. Private keys are stored locally with sole access to you. Now I've emphasized this time without number that your private key is your access to your funds. So whoever that knows your private key could in the future steal the coins, take your coins from you. So your private key is not expected to be known by a third party. Ensure you keep it safe. Don't put it online. Write it in a document or put it in a place where you think is safe and only you have access to it. So we have a lot of options here. We have create new seed phrase. Okay, we import new seed phrase, import private keys, import my MetaMask account, connect hardware wallet, connect mobile apps, connect institutional wallet, add contact. So all these are different options, but we are interested in creating a new phrase. Okay, so that means we are creating a new account. So the next thing to do, next step is to create your password. Okay, let's create our password. Your password must have a capital letter. It should be a combination of words, number, and symbols. Okay, and that is what I'm doing. Okay, so my password is confirmed. Click on next. All right, so this information is very key. I want you to calm down, go through it, and ensure you understand what this means. Before you start, please read and follow the and keep the following security tips in mind. If I lost my seed phrase, my asset will be lost forever. So this is what I've said. Okay, this is what I've said in previous videos. Your seed phrase is your asset, is the key to your asset. If you lose it, then it means you have lost access. Even if you have $1 million worth of coins and tokens, losing your seed phrase means losing your money, your funds. If I share my seed phrase with others, my assets will be stolen. This is very valid. If another person has access to your seed phrase, such person can create another wallet and use it to transfer all your funds. The seed phrase is only stored on my computer and Rabby has no access to it. So this is telling you that you are the only one that has access to it. If I uninstall Rabby without backing up the seed phrase, Rabby cannot retrieve it from me. So it is always advisable to write your seed phrase so that you be the only person, so that you can save it in a place that is very secure. And when you want to install Rabby wallet, you can import that seed phrase without losing your funds. Okay, so I'll click on show seed phrase. This is for demonstration purpose, as I'm not going to use this account. So this is my seed phrase, 12 words. I'll click on. So let's assume I'll write it down. Okay, so at this point, let's assume I've written it down. I'll click on and save the phrase. All right, so it will take us to this step. I'm creating. So you click on one or two based on number of account, based on number of wallets you want to create. So I'm interested in creating two wallets. I'll click on this. I've added the first wallet. I'll click on this. I've added the second wallet. Okay, so I will edit and name it. So this one should be coin. Why this should be dollars? Coin dollars. Should be dollars. So I'll click on done. So what does that mean? Okay, we'll go back. So we'll go back and see what it means. So what it means is that we have two addresses. Okay, we have two accounts. We have coin and we have dollar account. Okay, so that brings us to the second step, or the second important thing to learn in this video, which is how to use the function, how to use the features and functions on Rabby Wallet. Okay, now looking at this, you have this plus sign, or this symbol at the top right hand corner. Then that symbol simply means adding a new account. Okay, now when you click on that symbol, or that tab, you have the opportunity to add to create a new seed phrase. Like everything that we went through, you can do it here. Okay, so you can follow through and know how it works. All right, so we have very important features here. We have the swap. Okay, the swap feature, we have the send feature, we have the receive feature, we have NFT, we have transaction, we have gas top up, we have approval, we have Rabby points, and we have a lot more. Okay, lot more. Okay, so we'll look at the swap function, send and receive options. Okay, so let's start with the swap function. We are interested in swapping Arbitrum. Let's use Arbitrum. Okay, we want to swap Arbitrum to, let's say we want to swap Arbitrum, one Arbitrum. Okay, the token, we are swapping Ethereum on Arbitrum to USDT, and we are doing we are swapping one Ethereum on Arbitrum to USDT, and it's giving us 4,036. So we'll click on get quotes. So it's giving us the best prices. Okay, then once you have the best price, you click on next. But obviously we don't have funds on this account that we can use to do the swap. For example, this is best quote in terms of fee. You click on that and you proceed. Okay, so that is how to use the swap feature. Okay, let's move on. Send. Okay, let's assume let me copy an address. Let's assume I'm sending funds to another address, another wallet. Okay, let's assume I'm sending BNB. Okay, I'm sending BNB to somebody. Now you can see from dollars mark from this wallet. Okay, I'm sending it to this wallet. So impute the wallet that you are sending it to, and I'll click on number of of the number of token I'm sending to the person. Okay, in this case I've typed 5 BNB. So the address is not whitelisted. I agree to grant temporary permission to transfer. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on OK. Then they're asking me to type my password, which I will do. Okay, I'll click confirm. So that has actually confirmed that I should use this wallet, being that I'm using the wallet for the first time. Then you click on send, and that will be all. Your asset will be sent, and the receiver will receive the asset from the other end. On the other hand, if you want to receive assets from somebody, for example, you want to receive AVAX from somebody, what you do is to click on that asset and copy this address and send it to the person. Okay, but ensure you tell the person or the chain, okay, and ensure you tell the person the chain that he or she is sending the coins to. Okay, so others are very important to the NFT, like this, the place you see your NFT. And if you have an asset, okay, when you click here, this is the place you see your tokens and your coins. Now we don't have anyone. Then Rabby, this wallet is currently running an airdrop program. You can use this wallet to swap, to bridge, to do transactions, and you will have points and you'll be qualified for the airdrop. So that is how to use the features, the key features and functions on Rabby Wallet. Next, we look at the app, how to buy coins that are not listed on exchanges that have the potential to make you 100 to 1000x. Okay, so we click on the app. We'll click on the app, it will open up a new world, to open up a browser that will help us to access coins and tokens or crypto projects that are not listed on centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, CoinX, okay, MEXC, and the rest of them. So let's start with Uniswap. Click on Uniswap. Okay, for all Ethereum, the app Uniswap is the platform that you use. We'll click on Uniswap. There are others, but I use Uniswap as an illustration so that you understand how to get any DEX. Okay, this is how to use any DEX. Any DEX that supports EVM chain, Ethereum, BSC swap, BNB chain, okay, and others. So this is how to simply buy coins on decentralized exchanges. So we need two things. One, the coins that we are swapping. Okay, in this case, we are swapping the coin we are swapping from and the coin we are swapping to. Okay, so let's get a coin. We are interested in swapping. Okay, let's get a coin. Let's use Shiba Inu. So this Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu, let's get the contract address. You can see that it is listed on Ethereum. So we get the contract address for Shiba Inu. We go back to our Uniswap. Okay, so we click on select tokens and paste it here. You see Shiba Inu will come up. Then if we are buying 1 unit of Shiba Inu, so we have this unit of if you are buying 1 unit of Ethereum, we have this unit. Okay, this unit of Shiba Inu. All right. Then the next thing is to connect our wallet. Okay, so in this case we are using the Rabby wallet. We click on Rabby wallet, do approval. Okay, so we approving, connect, click on connect, and that's all. So this means we can use funds on Rabby wallet, on our Rabby wallet account, to buy coins on Ethereum chain, okay, and using Uniswap. Any coin at all that is on Ethereum chain, you can buy it on Uniswap that is not listed on centralized exchanges. You can get the contact address from CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Then go to on Uniswap and do the swapping. Swap from Ethereum to that particular coin or token. So the next thing to prove to you that Ethereum actually supports all chains. Let's do this on the Pancakeswap. Okay, so this Pancakeswap finance. So we are going to buy a coin, okay, that is on BNB's chain, BNB smart chain, using Rabby Wallet. So the first thing to do, this Pancakeswap, this is the interface. Okay, you can do lots, but we want to buy coin that are not listed on exchange, or that is not listed on exchange. So the first thing to do is to connect wallet and click wallet. So we can get all the wallets that Rabby support, but we are interested in using Rabby Wallet. Click on that, it will pop up. Okay, well, it's still loading. Okay, here we are. So the next thing to do is to connect your wallet. Okay, in this case, you have Rabby Wallet, so Rabby Wallet. All right, then once that is done, you trade and click up. Then it will bring up a functionality that will allow you to swap. Okay, but make sure that the chain is on BNB chain. Okay, as we are swapping from BNB to the token that you want to buy. Okay, so at this point we'll go back to CoinGecko and type the coin, any of the coin. So let's use Netmind. Okay, Netmind. We use Netmind. Get the contract address. Okay, so this is the contract address for Netmind. You can see that the contract is on BNB chain. So we copy that and go to Pancakeswap exchange. So we are swapping from BNB and we are swapping to this coin called, you click on that place, on that coin, and to give my NMT token. Okay, click on it and you are done. So let's assume we are swapping 5 BNB. And now at this point you have BNB in your wallet. Okay, understand that you have to fund your wallet with BNB or with the coin. If it is on the Ethereum chain, you have to fund your wallet with Ethereum. If it's on BNB chain, you have to fund your Rabby wallet with BNB. Okay, so we are swapping 5 BNB to NMT. Once we are able to do that, okay, we click on, like you have connected wallet, you click on swap, then confirm, and you will have your token that is not listed on exchange. You buy it and you'll be waiting when the token or when the coin will perform and take your profit. All right, guys, that is simply what it takes to buy coins that are not listed on exchange using Rabby Wallet. If you find this educative and helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment. There's a video on how to use Metamask, okay, to buy coin not listed on exchange. Kindly find it on top of this video. Okay, the Coin Dollar community is a community where we share alpha and we learn a lot about crypto. Find the link on the comment section, on the description section, and join.